Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a page in Wix Studio, the full 2025 guide. If you've ever wanted to create private pages for clients, internal drafts, or exclusive content without deleting or unpublishing them, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Let's jump right in. Alright, so first things first, log into your Wix Studio account. If you're using the enterprise or agency dashboard, you can simply sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, open the project where you want to hide the page. Next, head over to the Pages panel. You'll find it on the left-hand side of your Wix Studio editor. It's a little page icon. This is where all your site's pages are listed. Now, locate the specific page you want to hide. Hover over it and click on the three-dot menu next to the page name. From there, select Settings, and then click on Permissions. Here's the important part. Wix Studio doesn't have a direct hide toggle for pages, but the best workaround is to restrict access using a password. So, inside the Permissions section, enable Password Holder. You'll now be prompted to create a strong password. Choose something secure and easy for you to remember, then hit Save. What this does is simple. Anyone who tries to access that page will be greeted with a lock screen, and only users with the password will be able to view the content. It's a perfect way to keep things private for clients or internal use. Now, here's a pro tip. For an extra layer of privacy, remove the page from your site menu. This way, visitors won't even see the page listed anywhere on your website. The only way they can access it is if you share the direct link and the password. This combo makes your page practically invisible to everyone else. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively hide a page in Wix Studio the smart way. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another Wix Studio tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.